Do you know you can actually gain 1,000 subscribers in just 8 days? Yes, today video I'm going to show you all the steps you need to take in order for you to gain 1,000 subscribers in 8 days. So if something you're going to be interested in, stay with me from the beginning to the end of this video, because I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned. So the first thing first, you need to pick a niche. Yeah, you need to pick a niche. I see a lot of you just posting random stuff on YouTube, and that's actually killing your channel, because the YouTube algorithm will not know the right content, like the right people to push your content to, because you post random stuff. So in that way, you're actually killing your channel. So try to, it's possible to like choose a particular niche. Just stick with it. With time, you can divert or shift to other niches when you have gain or accumulate a lot of subscribers. But if you are just starting, I will advise you start with a particular niche. Needs to you make use of the YouTube SEO. Yes, YouTube SEO has to do with tags, tags, hashtags, and all those stuff like that. You need to like make use of YouTube. There are tools you can actually use to like do that. Like you can use VidIQ. Yes, I would recommend VidIQ if you are just starting YouTube. Like make use of VidIQ to like do your YouTube SEO, to search for trendy keywords. Yeah, you can actually search for trendy keywords. You add it to your video so that the YouTube algorithm is going to rank your video. Because if you don't use YouTube SEO, your video is not going to be ranked. Like if you search on YouTube now, how to make money online, you see different stuffs of YouTube videos that are going to pop out. So those videos are coming out because they ranked their videos using the YouTube SEO. That's why if you search on YouTube, you are going to see a lot of videos like that. And the one I'm showing on the screen now, you see I searched for it, you see how to make money online and different stuff like that. You see their video popping up because their video has been ranked. They ranked their video. So that's about that. So if you want me to make a video on how to like rank your video on YouTube and YouTube SEO stuff like that, just leave me in the comment section and I will not hesitate to make that video. So the next step is like you need to create a good title and thumbnail. Yeah, this is very important because your thumbnail is what sells your video. It's the first thing your viewer sees once they come on YouTube. So that's what grabs their attention. So you need to make sure you create a good thumbnail. You don't need to be a graphic designer or pay people to create your thumbnail. You can actually make that just using your smartphone. Yeah, you can make that just using your smartphone and you are good to go. And there are some free tools you can actually use, and I will recommend Canva. Yes, you can use Canva, CapCut, InShot. There are different applications online and you can just search for it and you make use of them to create your thumbnail. Just make sure it's not complex. Make your thumbnail is simple. There's not add too many color, too many images. Just make sure it's simple. Make sure that once people see your thumbnail, through that your thumbnail, they will know what your video is actually talking about. And your title too. The way you title the video is very important. Yeah, make sure that your title also contains the keyword about your video. That's why I say YouTube SEO too is very important, because YouTube SEO and titling also work hand in hand. I think I'll also make a video about that too later on how to do all this stuff. So if you are interested, that's why you need to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification, so that when I drop these videos that I'm talking about, YouTube is going to send you a notification and you will not be left behind. So now the following next is you need to make use of, the next one is you need to make use of YouTube Shorts. Yeah, if you want to gain 1,000 subscribers fast on YouTube, you need to be uploading shorts on your channel, because short is what gives you subscriber fast. Why long form content will just give you watch hour and also subscriber. But if you want to grow fast on YouTube, I will advise you post on YouTube Shorts. Like even if it's just post on YouTube Short like every day. Just try to post a short and you're going to see how your channel is going to skyrocket, because that's what I used in most of my faceless channel that I worked back then. Like I post shorts like in less than 1 week, I was getting close to like 2,000 subscribers, and that was actually very great for as a start. So if you are starting, I advise you make use of YouTube Shorts. The very important one which I want to say this, like use a good hook. The way you start your video is actually very important. Like start your video, just go straight to the point. Don't introduce yourself, I'm this, I'm that, I'm this, I'm that. No, people don't really care about your personality unless you are Mr. Beast or you are all those top content creators that already have the subscribers. Yeah, you can start doing that. But if you are just starting, our advice, just go straight to the point. Don't explain too much about yourself. Tell them this, that. People don't really care. If you do that, you are boring your subscriber, you are boring the viewers. Like, just go straight for the point, bro. That's it. So that's another very important thing you need to like take note. And the last but not the least is that stick with what works. Like, do what works. What I mean do what works is like, example, go to like top 5 creators on your niche, like they are doing very well. Try to see the kind of videos they are making and try to see if you can create something like that. Note, I'm not saying you should copy them. No, don't copy, but try to see if you can create something that they are already done in another way, or even in a better way. Just look at their thumbnail. Okay, this is the way that thumbnail. You try to see if you can create something better than that. In that way, you're going to see how you're going to actually gain a lot of subscribers, because that's what I should also do too. So you can actually do that. And I think this video, I'm going to actually make another video about this, because this video is not actually that enlightening. I just want to make it so fast. And the last one is, if you do all these things I've said and ignore this last one, you won't still get that subscriber, which is posting consistently. Yeah, you need to post consistently. You can't be uploading video anytime you want. No, if you do that, your subscriber are going to run away, because if they see that you're not uploading video, they're going to move to another channel which is uploading video, which is giving them good content, good information they want. So you make sure, so you want to like upload videos so that you keep your viewers coming back to watch your videos, and once they are seeing your video and keep engaging in your video, in that way they will subscribe to your channel. So always make sure you upload video. You don't need to upload every day or every time. No, just stick with it. Just bring out a plan and stick with it. Let your subscriber know that, okay, this is so day I'm uploading, and that's fine. So that's it for today. So if you actually enjoyed this video, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel.